Welcome to the PyOps series. Python is a versatile and powerful language. The use cases where it can be applied is ever expanding. It would be a shame for all of the things that we can create with it stays on our machines only. Therefore, in this series, we will explore how to combine different technologies with it, such as Docker, MongoDB, and also the combination of Python and DevOps, hence the series name. So we will also delve into how to deploy the things we create in Azure and how to use some of their services with it, including machine learning. We are open to suggestions for the different materials that you might find interesting for us to cover. This series is a living entity and will grow as we progress. For the upcoming videos, we will initially cover some basics and gaps that may exist in other materials that could be used as a reference. For example, setting up Docker and MongoDB, setting up our code editors and IDEs such as VS Code and PyCharm, and how creating a project workflow might look like with them. In the next video, we will start with Docker and MongoDB. Until next time.